All right, guys. Good morning, everybody from Dubai. Let's do the recap. I am actually in United Arab Emirates. I'm not in Dubai. I'm in the Emirates of Ras Al Khaimah, which is the north part. So it was a really good trading day. It was amazing, amazing trading day. Market gapped up because of the CPI number. Apparently, it was in line with the expectations. The market really liked that. As you see, we're doing this recap, AMD is up 5%, and NVIDIA 4%, Tesla 3%. So everything was gapping up. So I didn't have anything on my watch except Tesla, and usually we're trading Tesla. Really nice, solid 1 minute opinion range breakup that we did, and turned out to be a very, very amazing trading day for me. So I had a really, really nice long on Tesla. I had a little bit of a shy in my treasuries. Shy as a treasury. I switched them to do some of it to get some of this move back. And yeah, Tesla was a really nice run up that we had. So let's see what Tesla actually did for us here. Was that I opened very strong, punched through the VWAP, and then we went long at 178 and all the way up to 182. I added a little bit more here to see if we can get the break of 182. It didn't. I got a stop out on it. And overall, turned out to be a very, very strong day. S&P 500 is up. S&P 500 is up 1.7% as we're speaking. It doesn't seem that it's going to lose it. It's not. Also, doesn't seem that it's going to go much higher. AMD has been, discussed 6% up, 5.6%, and trading there was really nice. Carlos is trading with me, and he did a very, very nice, trading here at around 85. Took this trade up, ABCD pattern, 5 minute open range breakup. That was a very nice trading day as well. I missed trading yesterday, and yesterday was a weird day because there was some tech issues for the pre-market, and also Brian and I are both traveling. Brian is in Vietnam. So that was essentially a really, really good trading day. So markets, obviously we had a lot of craziness with the markets on these regional banks, because they just didn't hedge their interest rate change properly and they collapsed. Essentially, the Federal Reserve and Treasury Department saved them. But that's just a mismanagement, that when the interest rates are moving up significantly, your mortgage-backed securities are losing value, you have to have, interest rate default swap to hedge it, but they didn't hedge it. Why they didn't do that is probably mismanagement, or they didn't care, or it's just too big to fail idea that is, the big banks think that, okay, if anything goes wrong, we're okay, we're off the hook, as somebody else come and saves people. It's complicated. It's not just really a decision that we can discuss over a recap, but craziness is going to happen, but the market is really popping up. That was, AMD is going to go to 87 as we discussed, or it's 86.92. There are a lot of people in the community are long on it. I think it's definitely going to go to 87. Very close. Probably see some big asks at 87 as well. I see, 190 lot here. There you go. So I'm just gonna, there you go. Popped up. Oh, there you go. Popped up to 187 to 87. Jared traded Apple in the chat room. It was very nice. Mark, really nice opening range breakup. I think Jared did on the Apple, and trading advice was really good. Qs are really going up nicely. Somebody's calling me. So overall, I'm gonna call it a day and go and pick up answer the hotel. I don't know who is coming for me here. Other than that, dinner. No, I didn't order any dinner. All right, guys. So here's the situation. I'm gonna miss trading today. Sorry about missing it yesterday. I'll be back Wednesday night in Vancouver and continue trading together, guys. I'm gonna go get the door. Carlos, over to you. Thanks, guys.